Okay, today we will fix the Dell laptop. See, as the charger they on, you know, when you connect them for the machine, this light will switch off, so the laptop actually get a problem. And the model number for the laptop now, Dell latitude E74 tripped, it will switch off. So we could see when you connect charger, so we'll get that sorted. You see, as they're on, and then you try to switch on. When you try to switch on the power button, where's the power button here? The charger will trip. You see the charger tripped when you try pressing the power button. So let's get that sorted and see where the problem is.
Yo, King Jeff himself.
Yeah, I glass now.
Yeah.
I'm never come on when I shades there. Yeah, I glass.
Today,
I want to take a video.
Yeah.
I said, take a video how you do it there.
I did take video, I did follow, I did fix there. So, I one no fix machine now. You go check my video now, just learn fix machine.
Well, find money no computer, so I can't pour myself.
You okay?
No, don't me say they don't finish.
Okay.
I don't say. I'm not going to do a rough work. That man don't give me enough. Man don't give me no Korea. I don't know how to say nothing. I come out and I say man angry for me hold on first.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't find it. You see my man for another man again.
You understand now? Now 600 that. So hold on. So I want me to come up my place now. I'm going to take the remaining one away, market of hand, and then I'll come and pass you.
Okay, so we'll wait again.
Okay, sure.
Thanks, man. Multitasking, collecting currency and fixing machines. Know what we want to do now. Capacitor testing. No worry, when I see the problem, I will show you. See? Okay, let's come with the charger again and see what's happening. So the charger, the light on the charger is still fine. Still fine. Now let's try to switch to check voltages inside the machine and see what's happening. Okay, put our multimeter negative there, and then we can check the main terminals. Main terminals are not here. I have to turn the back of the machine. Okay, grounded. Our terminals here. Let's see, what do we have here? We have multimeter on voltages, that's all. 21,000 there, so we can check the voltages. We have 20 volt on the multimeter there, so 20 volt, we have 20 volt here. Okay, good. We're going to cross check everything. Okay. We have 19 volts here. We have 19 volt there, which is nice here. So let's proceed and see where the problem is. Okay, we don't take down the board. Okay, we don't take down the board. So we will check the board, because what did happen as a one MOSFET surely be shorted. Now the reason that when we press voltage, when you press the power, as how we think they on short, the machine did trip. So we use multimeter. I know we use transformer yet. I know we use transformer yet on this issue. I will use a multimeter, trace the problem. from MOSFET to capacitors. Then we will see where the short circuit is. We will solve them and the machine will be fine. Let's get busy. So we will check with our multimeter on a diode mode. Don't forget multimeter the diode mode. You know, we see, but I will show you from that side. Zero zero. Okay, so we'll check the short around here from the first MOSFET, second MOSFET, and the gate. Now there we'll check. Hold on. Short day here. This MOSFET is short. To save time, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go and buy a diode. Send the voltage in straight. No doubting things. Straight to that. I'm going to pause the video. Come with a diode. What you will do now, so you will adapt this diode. The diode is so that will give one way voltage. The machine will trip again. We put this diode. When I put one way diode, the machine will trip after I put this diode. So we'll get busy. So we will solder this. We will solder this diode in a polarity way. We will only forward the voltage, backward, never forward, ever. And the machine will start. No time to waste.
How you are falling from heaven, O day-star, son of dawn. How you are cut down to the ground, you who made the nations live. You said in your heart, I will ascend to heaven. Above the stars of God, I will set my throne in high. I will sit on the mount of assembly in the far reaches of the north. I will ascend above the heights of clouds. I will make the most high. And you are brought down to the far reaches of the earth. In Hebrew, the king of Babylon is condemned in a vision by the prophet Isaiah. He is called Hanun ben Shahar, which means the son of morning or shining. This became translated by the Greeks and Romans to mean morning star or light spring. And this king was would then become looser. This passage in Isaiah can therefore be seen as detailing the fall of Lucifer from heaven, and he aimed to place himself above God. Painted a form of himself, and instead ended up in hell. Ezekiel 28:17 also mentions this fall from grace. Your heart will proud because of your beauty, and corrupted your wisdom for the sake of your splendor. I cast you to the ground. I exposed you before kings to cease around you. These passages show Lucifer as the fallen angel.
One way in, no more stressing. Let's test it.
And he said to them, I shall create and fall like a lightning from heaven. No mention of the morning star or a fallen angel. It's Satan, or in Revelation is a dragon. With this transformation obviously comes a change. Lucifer the morning star, the most beautiful of God's creation, would have been a radiant glow. But with this fall from grace and demonization, Lucifer would look more as his once beautiful feather would be more red like that of a cat. His face was warped and twisted, and on top of his head sat hair. What was once a thing of beauty then became a thing of terror, with images of Satan not even resembling a human form, more so a demonic goat man with wings. With this transformation into Satan also came the association with evil warlocks and witches. Peter Binsfield identified 7 demons that were classified as the princes of hell, all of them associated with one of the 7 deadly sins. Lucifer, of course, represented.
Let's try it and see if it's a success. Okay, there's a charger. It's blocked. See, it's a light there. Let's try it. Let's see if connected. The light is still there. You can see at the back there. So let's start the machine and see if we made some progress. Oh, I didn't put the CPU fan. But let's see if you switch on. Switching on. The light is staying, but picture 4. Let's add more accessories to it and see if we can win. Let me put the... Oh, there's a picture. Wow, it's a success. The experiment worked, see? So next time you have that problem, just take off that and put a diode. That is it. I didn't put the fan and everything, so I can't wait for so long. I need to put the fan so that the machine doesn't kill the processor. Yeah, so you know, see how a MOSFET fit frustrate the machine. Next time when you get those kind of problems, now you know what to do. Or if you're around Joburg, contact us for proper good work, good repairs on laptops. All brands from Dell, HP, Acer to ZenBook, even Apple, from Apple to ZenBook. Contact us, fix up for you. Like and subscribe if you like the video. More electronics, more things, more everything every day, more fixing. Thank you.